Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum, welcome to our channel. I'm back with an exciting video. Today I'm planning to make apple walnut salad. It's very famous around the world. Some places, most of the people, they call it Waldorf Salad. It's from New York, one of the famous hotel created that over the, I believe over 100 years ago. So I'm gonna try to make it that salad today. Please enjoy this video and thanks for tuning in. So for this recipe, I'm using red and green apple, Granny Smith apple, and also some celery, little lemon juice. So we're gonna cut the apple first. Now the green apple. Also julienne. So whenever you're using apple, if you're keeping for a long time, just add some cold water and the lemon juice, so it will prevent them to oxidize. So I'm using it right away, so I'm not using any water or any lemon juice I'm gonna use for the marination. So now the celery. I'm cutting it in slice. And also I'm using some grapes, also two color, purple and also green grapes to give a nice color to the salad. And also walnut. I'm chopping up some walnut also. I'm gonna add it to the salad. So we're gonna mix our salad now. So I'm gonna add a little bit of lemon juice, about like half a teaspoon worth. Pepper. You can use any pepper, white, black, yellow. Salt. I'm gonna give a mix a little bit. All the seasoning go inside, then I'm gonna add our mayonnaise. So now we're gonna add some mayonnaise. You can use, if you want a healthy choice, you can use yogurt and 35% cream also. It's up to you. Pretty simple and easy to make. It tastes very good, very nice actually. One of my favorite salad to eat. So nice and mix. We're gonna do some presentation. I'm trying to present two way of presentation. I'm gonna make some nice decoration to the salad. So we're gonna put in a small salad ball in the middle, nice and light. So if you want to do a little bit of fancy, so I'm using a whole apple. I'm going to cut a little bit of the bottom to keep it standing, and we're going to thinly slice. So first we're going to middle of the plate, we're going to put apple bottom, we're going to add and we're gonna put this stick on, a little bit of mint leaf. I didn't find the apple leaf, so I'm gonna use the mint leaf as just to give you an idea. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Came out very nice, look amazing, taste also amazing. Please do try this recipe on your special occasion or any birthday party, or you have any special guests coming in. It's pretty easy to make, but take a little effort. Please follow us on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. And if you like our videos, please consider subscribe our channel. Take care of yourself, and Allah Hafiz everyone.